Hello, Jim Tech Bros, and we got the new SoundMAGIC P60BT ANC headphones in. So they're over-ear Bluetooth headset with active noise, hybrid noise cancellation. Bluetooth 5.2, lower power consumption, lower delay, fast transmission. And you've got good, comfortable active noise cancel performance, dynamic, powerful sound and tune with credible clarity, CVC noise reduction, full touch control operation, supports NFC fast Bluetooth connection, silicone headband, more durable, soft over-ear earpads, and you can also wire them as well. And you've got the microphone boom cable. So you've got all these here. You've got your aptX as well, your HD, aptX, SBC, AAC, and all that kind of good stuff there. That's what the box looks like, and that's basically it there on the outside. So it gives you some more information here, and you have got transmission range of up to 15 meters, playtime without ANC up to 50 hours, and that's pretty good. 45 width, and you've got 40mm dynamic neodymium driver or magnets. And you've got your sensibility and resistance, all that kind of stuff down there, and an 800 milliamp hour battery inside. So let's open them up and have a quick look. We'll take off the plastic. So that's basically it there. So just get the box open and show you what's inside and what these look like. So this looks pretty good, so I'm just gonna have to take it out again there. So you get another box inside. SoundMAGIC Listen More. Open them up. So you've got a user manual there. P60BT ANC, so that's pretty much it there on the user manual front. We open up and we've got a nice case. So you've got a hard case, which is cool. You've got SoundMAGIC on the zippers, and you can carry it there as well. So it's hard on both sides, which is nice. Let's open it up. And there we go. This is what you're going to get. So you get the headphones first. So we'll see what's in this little pouch here first of all. And inside you've got your 3.5, and you've got USB-C, USB-A, and you've also got this here. So that's pretty nice. Zip that back up. So here is the headphones themselves. They look pretty nice indeed. You see the NFC logo there and a fingerprint there, so you're going to be using gestures to change things over. And you've got SoundMAGIC on each side. Plus you've got the brand or the model number on the inside here, and on the underside of the headband you got SoundMAGIC again. Nice extension arms each side with a ratchet system. They twist like so, and of course they're going to move in and out here too. And you can see the cups there, which is pretty cool. So you've got right and left marked on it there, so you know which side is which. And that's it. So you've got a button here, USB-C here, you've got an LED indicator light here, and you've got more mics there as you can see. And of course a 3.5mm jack there. So quickly going to pop them on the head. Good noise isolating there alone, just popping them on the head, which is nice, and they're comfortable. And of course you've got a nice headband here as well, which is also feels really comfortable here too. So I'm going to take these away, test them out for a bit and see how we get on. And any questions, do let us know below. So you've got the sign manufactured by SoundMAGIC written on the inside there. And that's it there, P60BT ANCs. So that's written on both sides, as is SoundMAGIC. So that's it for the moment. So any questions, drop them below. We'll have a review in about 2 weeks, and we'll gladly answer all your questions then. Until then, stay tuned for more. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.